Coke. It's good.
It's pretty good.
We got to put the barrier up. No cheers this week.
Yeah, no traditional cheers.
There's too many drugs for Bryce in Miami. He didn't do drugs, but just a lot of booty hole.
Oh, my God, not that either.
That's where you get bacteria from, I hear. That's just what I've heard.
What? So have you ever had pink eye before?
Yeah, like when I was
Okay,
10.
did someone shit in your eye? No.
Nah, I just get more butt than toilet seat.
I can't argue it, I guess.
Facts.
Facts. Well,
Call me super fire because I spit fire.
oh! We need to get like...
That's the meme.
Wait, what?
We watched this in the office today. I'll pull it up. Hold on.
Oh, is that what you guys were listening to?
Spit fire rap freestyle. This guy, you'll know the meme. Which one is it? Oh, it's this. Is this
Oh, that
No,
one?
it's a super hot fire.
super hot fire? I was close.
Super hot fire. This is the full video.
Let's go ahead and get into it. We got our comes super hot. He goes first. What is this?
Here we go. Check him out.
I broke up with my ex-girl. Here's a number. Psych. That's the wrong number.
Super hot fires. Super hot fires next, everybody. Bear with us here. It's Cocktail Friday. We're having fun.
What does that make you feel? What? Sweet dollar tea from McDonald's. I drank that. Super hot fire. I spit that. 2.5 men. I watched that.
Oh, wait, so I actually had the right reaction.
You did. I'm impressed.
Thank you. Okay,
Well
yeah.
said.
I'm a memer. You know what I mean? I'm a millennial.
You are the stock squire.
No, it's going without me.
You're the stock squire of StocksToTrade.
I am the stock squire of StocksToTrade. It's what I do best. I squire the stocks. I acquire the stocks. I inspire the stocks. But most importantly, I am the stock squire.
Well said. Dude, it's been like 10 days since we've been on together. What happened to you?
Well, I went down to Miami for Halloween, which is why I wasn't here Thursday and Friday. Then I got back on Monday. No! Get out of here. Get out. You're going to leave all of these people thinking I'm some
I'm
cokehead.
just kidding. To be clear, I'm making fun of them. Carry on.
No, and I got back Monday, and that's just when it all went downhill. Wasn't feeling the greatest. Then by Tuesday night, I was in the hospital, and by Wednesday morning, I was actually feeling a little bit better with all the drugs they gave me. I took drugs there in the hospital. I did not take them over the weekend. Let's clarify that.
Thank you for that.
Yeah. Now I've got strep and meningitis, getting over it. No longer contagious because I've been on those antibiotics for, 2 days now. So
Smart,
ready,
man.
Yeah, ready. Hopefully by the end of this weekend, I'm kind of like back to not coughing. But yeah, that's I'm
Well,
not
everybody.
contagious. I'm not contagious. That's why
I've
I came
heard
in.
that before. It's like instant. It's just there. I'm sick already.
Well, to be fair, you know what though? You drove me to dinner on Monday while I was sick.
Yeah.
We were in the same car
Mistakes
together.
have been made.
Yep, it was too late. But we're back. Matt's gonna be sick next. You know what to get treated for if you start feeling like shit though. You know what to go to the doctors for. You don't have to go in at like midnight.
Yeah.
That was brutal.
Did you trade this week?
Yeah, I'm actually green like probably 7,000 or 8,000.
That's pretty respectable. Anytime I'm sick like that, I consistently make horrible trades.
Well, that's kind of how it started off on Tuesday when I like really noticed it. Tuesday I lost 800, Wednesday I lost 800, and then yesterday I made 2,500. Today I made 2,500, and Monday I made 2,500. Wow. That's consistent losing, consistent winning. It's almost like to the T too.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm red this week slightly. Probably about $7,000 or so. I'm red. I just couldn't really get some traction. Started the week great with like 9,000, and then I kind of just like today I'm green. I just like lost like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Like I just kept losing, and like just couldn't get anything going. That's fine. Not how I wanted to start November, but the market was definitely different this week than last week. Last week was pretty hot. I had a great last week. So kept the loss in check, is what it is. And, we'll reevaluate and go into next week with some new. He's watching CAR. We'll pull up the chart. So CAR was Bryce's good trade today. This was one of the craziest short squeezes I've ever seen.
Yeah, because it's a large float, real company.
Yeah, look at that.
Like
after earnings from $1, listen to me, from $170 to it peaked out at
$550.
$550. That's crazy.
Insane. And it never bounced on the backside either. I mean, it did at the end of the day, but like it was just straight up then straight down.
Yep.
It was
crazy.
Quite simple. And
I actually tried dip mine a couple times here, lost a little, and then I think I ended up being break even because I caught one of these bounces end of day.
Yeah,
but it was a tricky trader after that initial squeeze. It was really choppy. The spread is like $1 a share a lot of the times on this thing.
Well, so that was so go to that first spike after not after the consolidation. I mean, so go to the right, way to the right after the squeeze. A little bit more, like one more spike over. You got to scroll. Okay, there we go. That's the one. Yes. Yeah, so I got in there, and it was brutal because right through that trend break.
This is right around VWAP. Right?
Yep.
Yeah.
It doesn't pull up for multi-day. Right through the trend break. I ordered in, market ordered, of course. And the ask went up $3.50 a share. And I was like, oh, and I still made like 1,500 on it. Because then the bid shortly followed after that volume started coming in. But yeah, it was crazy range.
So what was your trade on it today?
First green day. Can we pull up a 1 minute for me?
Yeah. First of all, started the 6 month, like huge runner, 2 red day, like textbook
First green day. So I started in right over VWAP, go right there. No, right, yep, right there at 280, like 281, I think, right there. Added again a little bit down far, a little bit up now, right.
Why don't you?
Yeah, here I'll just take the laptop.
Take the laptop, my lord.
Started in 250.
So picky.
Started in 250 shares here, added 250 shares here, and scaled out with my best sell being at 299, right near the top.
You've done this before.
Yeah. This is it's now, to be fair, I've been scaling out a lot more lately than I used to because is it going to get you the best average sell? Absolutely not. But one of the worst, in my opinion, one of the worst things you can do is create FOMO by selling too early and wishing you were still in. I would rather make a little less money than start battling that FOMO like, oh my God, I want to get back in. Don't look for a reason to get back in. You know what I mean? That's my biggest issue. So for me to adapt to it, I've been scaling out. So I'll take off like 100 here, 100 here, 100 here, 50 here, 50 here, 50 here. And I'll just scale out piece by piece because that's what helps me control my FOMO. I know it's not getting me the best average sell, but it is helping me just kind of keep my emotions under control. And I did kind of want to take it here again at the end of the day as we are doing this a little bit early. We have to leave early. But honestly, it's not really, that would have been a pretty tough one. I actually did take it once right at the end of the day right here and then got dumped on. So lost like $600 or $700. But good trade overall. First green day, textbook, as Matt said. Look at that daily chart and study it up.
Yeah, speaking of dailies, this is really my only trade today. Those of you who watched Bryce live this morning, I hijacked it because I was like, this is just a very good setup. It ran, what was that, Tuesday? It ran Tuesday, some kind of weak news, and then 2 days of just consolidation, and now we're breaking out. This is a former runner. I'm not saying this is going to go to 8 cents, but like above 3, it could go to mid 3s. It could go to 4 if it gets wild before it really starts getting some trouble. Either way, this is a really good breakout chart. And then we look at like a 5-day, you can see it even better. I'll pull up like a 15 minute.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Let's get rid of after hours to really just emphasize it. But spike 1 consolidation, no gap, that's fine. And then it consolidated today. It perked above it in the morning and it has been grinding up since. I ended up buying some shares right around, this is 15 minute. I'll just pull up one to be specific. I bought some shares right there on that first morning dip. Yeah, here we go. On this dip in here, this consolidation, bought some through it, locked some in here, ended up buying some more here, locked some in up here after this wild pullback because I was like, I don't like that as much. So locked some in here. I still got like roughly 1 million shares. But today I locked in like 6K on this. I had some other stupid trades. I decided to be an options trader for some ungodly.
Yeah, I was gonna say you should tell the viewers today why you're red on the week.
Some ungodly known reason I decided to trade options today, and I just suck at those. I'll go over my options trade. I'm sure several of you can relate to this if you trade options. So this was Sava. I traded the options today. So I bought it actually like right on this breakout here. The options. Should have just bought the shares. I don't know why I decided to buy options shares. Instantly was up like 40, 50% on the options because of this spike. Decided to let it run a little bit. Actually went to the gym in here, came back, and granted, may I remind you, the stock was still, like if I had shares, I would be up on this position still because I bought the options right on this candle on this breakout. Come back from the gym. I'm down on my options. I'm sure all of you can relate to the stupidity of how options trade. And ended up blocking in like a 30% loss here, even though, again, granted, I was up like $3 a share. If I just would have bought the shares, I would have made money on that trade. So type it, comment below. Matt, you're an idiot. Never trade options again. I do this like every other month. Like I'm going to learn to trade options. And then I always lose money. I've never made money trading options. So I'm just giving up. So comment below, say stop trading options.
For those of you who are curious, quick flash course, the options you generally, the faster the price moves in the direction of your option, the more money you make. But then like once it stops moving, you actually start losing money.
Yeah.
And today's a Friday. I'm sure they expired today.
Yep, naturally.
Because, yeah,
you
why
buy the most risky ones, naturally.
So if the price doesn't move, the price of your option goes down, even though the stock is holding up. So you're betting on price and timing.
Yeah, that's why it's so difficult.
And it's why you can make more money. You're taking on more risk.
Right. Well said.
Yeah.
Good crash course.
Yeah. Well, because some people I figure, it's hard. I don't know how to trade those. Are you kidding me?
Yeah. So I'm up about 1,200, 1,300 today, even though I had a really good RGBP trade. I have a little bit shares. I'll see how it closes if I want to swing it or not. That's really it for me.
Yeah. And honestly, today could have been a pretty good day. I will admit the market was slow. I took a couple big paper cuts on OCGN, but ending the day up about $2,500. Also took some RGBP, not as much size as Matt, and didn't hold for as long as Matt. I am not swinging any. But you know what? It was a good week relative to the market. Was pretty slow this week, like compared to last week, other than Avis, which like really
Fist bump for you.
Really got the market like going for a day. It's large. Oh, talk about really quick earnings season, which means small caps are going to be a little slower.
Yep.
Keep that in mind. I don't know if I've already done that.
But I don't even mind if we get some more car moves. Not that we're gonna, but that was insane.
Yeah. Next time one of those is going to happen, can someone just like let me know down, go down a little bit, like right in, no, before that.
like do the math on that. You buy 10 shares.
I know.
It went up
$350 a share.
Yeah, you could have probably realistically, we'll call it 350 for fun.
Yeah. No, I call it 300. You're right. Call it 300. What'd you make? 30K? No, that's not right. 3,000
on 10 shares, $300 for a $2,000 investment. So yeah, you made 150% your money
on 10 shares
on a legitimate company like Avis.
Yeah, well, I've only made money on Avis the 2 days I've traded it, so I've decided when I'm going home for Christmas, I'm going to rent through Avis discount or Avis budget.
Well done. Respectable investor, putting money back in the company.
Yeah, I feel like a real true investor now. Cocktail Fridays got me telling all the secrets.
All right, that's all we got. What do they got to do, Tui, before they leave this page and enjoy their weekend?
You have to do two things. First of all, if you are not watching our live streams in the morning, like, please, I won't swear, but what are you doing? Like, why? It's free. It's free. FREE. Right here on YouTube at 9:30. Me and Matt Monaco go live every day, Monday through Friday, as of now. And
if you aren't there, I'll give you some benefit of the doubt. Maybe you just didn't know, but now you have no excuse.
Right. Unless, like, you've got No, you know what? No, be there. You have no excuse. Now that you know, be there. And, you know, kind of to build on that and go into the second part, turn on those post notifications for when we drop any small cap recap or go live like for this small cap rockets live trading. And then from there, be sure to like this video. Be sure to comment down below, Matt, you're an idiot for trading options like I told him today.
Drop it in there.
And last but not least, guys, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Andrew, can you give a quick update to the people on where we are and what our goal is? Because we've been kind of crushing it and we need your help, and you guys are absolutely helping us out.
Yeah, guys, we just surpassed 90,000.
Woo!
I think we're on our way to 92,000. So
Woo!
we're on the right track of, you know, if you guys subscribe, you know, we're consistent. We can make 100,000 by the end of this year.
Yes, yes, yes. All right, guys, you know what to do. Do both of those things. And most importantly, comment that Matt's an idiot. But happy Friday.
I deserve it.
Yeah, I know. We finished both of our cocktails. Good work, sir. Hey, now we can actually cheers, though, because we don't have any more to drink. Ready? There we go.
Cheers to you.
Happy Friday. We will see you guys back here on Monday.
We hope you guys enjoyed that last video. Thanks so much for watching and being a part of the StocksTrade community. We wouldn't be here without you guys. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Our goal is to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but we can't do it without your help. So if you enjoy what we're putting out and want to hear more, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.